Hi, I'm Ryan from iThemeland, where WordPress and WooCommerce come to life. In this tutorial, you're gonna learn how to show a product excerpt or short description in the WooCommerce product table plugin. Step 1. Add the product excerpt element to the table column. In order to add the product excerpt column to your product table in our plugin, first, go ahead and open Columns page, and then click on the Add a Column button. And in the new column box, click on the Add Element option of the Cell Product Excerpt box. The next thing you're going to do is choose Excerpt from the left panel. By adding Excerpt elements, you can find two tabs in the Element Setting panel to customize in the table: General and Style. Let's see how their customization features help you manage the product excerpt displayed in your table. Step 2. Manage how to show product excerpt in the table. In the General tab, you have access to some options to customize how to show product excerpts in the table cells, which are: limit the word count. You can add a number to limit the number of words displayed in the product excerpt cell. For example, if you write 20, the customers can read only the first 20 words of the short description in the table. And for further reading, they will need to go to the product page. Truncation symbol. This is the symbol that customers see when the short description in the table is limited and there is more to read on the product page. By default, the plugin uses 3 dots as a truncation symbol. However, you can choose one of these options to customize it. Show it. Customers see 3 dots when there is more product excerpt to read. Hide it. Nothing is displayed to the customers even if more product excerpt is provided. Enter custom symbol. You can write another symbol in the text box to display in the table instead of the 3 dots. Read more label. This label is used when you want to let your customers go to the products page and read the full description. In order to set a label, you have to click on the Add Element and set an element. For example, here we tried to customize the product excerpt cell. So first, select the icon for the Read More label, and then select the sharpened down symbol to be displayed in the table. Next, set a 30 limit word count and enter this as your truncation symbol. Now let's go ahead and check the results in the live preview. As you can see, the product excerpt cell is displayed to the customers exactly as we expected. Show more or less toggle. It is also possible to enable show more or less toggle in the content cell. That way, your customers can see the full excerpt content in the table by clicking on the show more button, or collapse it by using the show less button. Keep in mind that you can change the show more label or the show less label. Condition for element. The options in this tab are useful when setting a condition for displaying the product excerpt elements in the product table. Step 3. Customize the style of the product excerpt element in the product table. The Style tab allows you to change the appearance of the product excerpt cell in the table. There are many options for customizing the product excerpt configurations, such as font settings, font color, margin and padding settings, and etc.